For part 3, we will train the data that has been collected. Go to Impulse Design, add Processing Block, select Audio MFCC, then add Learning Block, select Classification and save Impulse. Click on MFCC, use the default setting and save parameters. Click on Generate Features and wait until done. To train the data, click on NN Classifier. I use the default setting and tick on Data Augmentation. Click Start Training and wait until done. This is the result, 95% of accuracy and 0.15 loss. You can test this model through Test Data. Record around 10 of datasets. Go to the Model Testing, set the minimum confidence rating to 0.6 and click Classify All. The result I got was around 97% of accuracy. Finally, go to Deployment, select Arduino library and click Build. You will get the zip file and we can use it in the Arduino IDE later. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.